Hello, this is Lydia DiLiello from Capital Pricing Consultants. I'm the CEO and founder. I have been privileged to be part of the Professional Pricing Society family and community for my entire career, and I want to wish Kevin and Eric and the entire Professional Pricing Society congratulations on 30 outstanding years of conferences. This is really a milestone. When Eric established the organization and conferences began back in 1989, I remember 15 people sitting around a conference table at a workshop, and that really represented the number of people at that time that was attending conferences. Today, the organization has global reach, 500 plus attendees at every conference, and more than 5,000 members globally. What a tremendous accomplishment for both Kevin and for Eric. You know, throughout my career, the Pricing Society was there for me, both starting as an analyst all the way up through my executive roles. And I believe it's had a dramatic impact on what we see in terms of business landscapes now overall. Pricing is a core function at Fortune 500 companies with large staffs, and the contributions to the bottom line are very evident. So Kevin, to you and the entire pricing staff, I say congratulations, and as a member of the Board of Advisors, it's been my privilege to serve, and I look forward to another 30 years of huge success and transformation. Congratulations.